In this section, we discuss the rank order function using SQL. This brief presentation was organized by Dr. Olemi. The purpose of rank and rank dense functions are to order the records based on the values of one column. For example, we can find out if a patient has been repeatedly admitted to the hospital for the same diagnosis, a situation that happens when the earlier treatment has not worked and the patient is readmitted for further treatment. Rank and rank dense function differ in how they treat records where two or more records have the same value and the same order. If two records have the same rank, then rank function skips the next rank number. Rank dense does not do so. For example, if two records are ranked to occur at the same order at rank 1, then the rank function will assign rank 1 to both of them and skip rank 2 and assign rank 3 to the next record. In contrast, the rank dense will rank the first two at 1 and start the next one at 2. Here we see an example of what's happening with patient number 10. He has a diagnosis 276.1, which is hyposomality. He has this repeatedly at different ages. Two of these diagnoses are reported at the same age. Hence, we see them ranked at the same level. We see rank 1, then rank 2, next two rank 3s, and rank 4 is missing, and we jump to rank 5. This is an example of a skip in the ranks. There is, of course, no difference between rank and rank dense if no two records have the same order. This can be guaranteed by grouping by the fields used to order the rank, a first step that often should be done before using rank functions. When no two records have the same order, then no two have the same rank. Then we never have to deal with skip patterns, and thus rank and rank dense functions produce same results. For example, patients may have same diagnosis on same hospitalization admission. Once they are seen by one doctor and another time by another clinician. To rank these diagnoses as two different times of having the same diagnosis is a mistake. In this situation, it makes sense to delete the repetitions of the diagnosis for the same person at the same time. This helps make the ranking task more efficient and also more sensible. Here is the syntax of the rank function. The reserved word rank starts the syntax, since this function has no arguments and is followed with parentheses with nothing in them. The syntax requires a specification of over clause, which requires us to specify what field or fields should be used to order the ranks. The partition clause is optional and describes whether the rank order should restart in subgroups of the records. Here is an example of the rank command. The order by command says that we want to set the order based on type of ICD code and age at which it occurs. The partition command says that we want to organize the rank orders to start from 1 for each individual and each diagnosis. Note that the code uses table final from database called age diagnosis. These may have different names in your data. For ease, we are working with person with ID 10. Otherwise, these steps will take a long time to carry out. Duplicates are removed so rank and rank dense are the same. The group by command will delete and record for the same patient having more than one same diagnosis occurring at the same age. The order by clause includes two variables. The partition by clause also includes two variables. The top 10 lines of the result of the query are provided here. All records refer to patient number 10. At 64.66 years, the patient was hospitalized with diagnosis 041.89, which is an unspecified bacterial infection. This infection did not repeat, so the rank does not exceed 1. The next disease is 112.0, which is Candidus of the mouth. This disease also does not repeat either, so the rank stays at 1, never exceeds 1. The situation is different for hospitalization with diagnosis 253.6, which is other disorders of neurohypophysis. The patient was hospitalized for this disease 3 times, first at 64.25, then at 64.75, and later at 65.25 years. We see that this disease is ranked 1, 2, and 3, indicating that it was repeated 3 times. Repetition also occurs for disease 272.4, which is unspecified hyperlipidemia. This section described the rank order function. This function is useful in analysis of data in electronic health records.